Looking for the best front and rear dash cam to protect yourself on the road? In this video, I'm reviewing the top 4 best front and rear dash cams to help you compare video quality, night vision, reliability, and overall value. Stick around to find the right dash cam for your vehicle and budget. We have included links in the description. Number 1. IWI N6 360 degrees dash cam 4-channel, 5.8G Wi-Fi 6, up to 20 megabytes per second, with app, free 128 gigabytes card, FHD front and rear inside dash cam for car, 8 IR lights night vision, GPS, 24/7 parking mode, G-sensor. The IWI N6 360 degrees dash cam is designed for drivers who want maximum coverage and added peace of mind on the road. It's best known for its 4-channel recording system that captures the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle, making it a great option for rideshare drivers, families, and anyone who wants comprehensive video evidence. Features like built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, infrared night vision, and 24/7 parking mode add to its everyday practicality. One of its biggest strengths is complete vehicle coverage. The interior camera with IR night vision records clearly even in low light, while the included 128 gigabytes memory card lets you start recording right away. The companion app makes it easy to review and download footage, and the G-sensor automatically saves important clips if an impact is detected. This dash cam is best for Uber and Lyft drivers, commuters, families, and anyone who wants to monitor both the road and the vehicle's interior. However, drivers who only need basic front and rear recording may find the extra cameras unnecessary and prefer a simpler setup. Overall, the IWI N6 delivers excellent coverage, useful safety features, and reliable everyday recording, making it a strong choice for drivers who want complete protection inside and outside the vehicle. Number 2. Viofo A229 Plus dash cam front and rear, dual Starvis 2 sensors, 2-channel HDR, 1440p plus 1440p voice control car dash camera, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, ultra-precise GPS. The Viofo A229 Plus is built for drivers who prioritize outstanding video quality and dependable recording over extra camera channels. It's best known for using dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors to capture sharp 1440p HDR footage from both the front and rear, helping improve visibility during the day and in challenging nighttime conditions. Combined with built-in GPS, voice control, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it offers a premium dash cam experience for everyday driving. One of its biggest strengths is image quality. The Starvis 2 sensors and HDR recording help capture clearer details like license plates and road signs in a variety of lighting conditions. Voice control allows hands-free operation while driving, and the companion app makes it easy to access and share recordings. Its compact design also blends neatly into most vehicles without blocking the driver's view. This dash cam is best for commuters, road trip enthusiasts, and drivers who want premium front and rear recording with excellent low-light performance. However, users who need interior cabin recording for rideshare services or maximum vehicle coverage should consider a multi-channel dash cam instead. Overall, the Viofo A229 Plus is an excellent choice for buyers who value superior video quality, reliable performance, and advanced recording features for everyday driving. Number 3. Vantrue N2X 2.7K dash cam front and inside, 5G Wi-Fi dual dash camera for car with HDR IR night vision, Starvis 2, GPS, 2.5K/60 FPS, G-sensor, 24/7 parking mode. Voice control, support 512 gigabytes max. The Vantrue N2X dash cam is designed for drivers who want high-quality front and interior recording with premium features for everyday driving. It's best known for combining Starvis 2 image technology, HDR night vision, built-in GPS, and fast 5G Wi-Fi into a compact dual-camera system. Whether you're commuting, driving for Uber or Lyft, or taking long road trips, it provides reliable video coverage both outside and inside the vehicle. One of its biggest strengths is video quality. The front camera records sharp footage with smooth frame rates, while the infrared interior camera captures clear cabin video even in low-light conditions. Voice control makes it easy to operate hands-free, and the companion app allows quick access to recordings. Support for large-capacity memory cards and 24/7 parking mode also make it a practical option for drivers who want continuous protection. This dash cam is best for rideshare drivers, commuters, families, and anyone who wants dependable front and cabin recording. However, drivers who need complete side and rear coverage may be better served by a 4-channel system. Overall, the Vantrue N2X offers an excellent balance of image quality, smart features, and reliability, making it a strong choice for buyers who want premium dual-channel protection. Number 4. 360 View 4-channel dash cam front and rear left-right inside camera for cars, GPS, and 5G band Wi-Fi, night vision, 160 wide angle, WDR, 24H parking mode, supercapacitor. Included 128 GB card. The 360 View 4-channel dash cam is built for drivers who want complete vehicle coverage instead of recording only the front and rear. With cameras covering the front, rear, left, right, and interior areas, it's designed to capture more angles during everyday driving, parking, or unexpected incidents. Built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode make it a feature-rich option for drivers seeking maximum protection. One of its biggest strengths is comprehensive coverage. Recording from multiple directions helps capture events that traditional 2-channel dash cams may miss, while the included 128 GB memory card allows users to begin recording immediately. The supercapacitor design also offers better durability in extreme hot and cold weather compared to battery-powered dash cams, making it well-suited for year-round use. This dash cam is best for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, families, and anyone who wants the highest level of recording coverage. However, buyers who only need basic front and rear footage may find the additional cameras unnecessary and may prefer a simpler, easier-to-install model. Overall, the 360 View 4-channel dash cam delivers extensive recording coverage, useful safety features, and dependable performance, making it a practical choice for drivers who want complete visibility around their vehicle. Thanks for watching my review of the top 4 best front and rear dash cams. I hope this comparison made it easier to choose the one that fits your driving needs. If you'd like to learn more about any of the models featured, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.